Don't want to pay Microsoft for Word, Excel and PowerPoint? I'm looking for a free solution? This video is for you. The software is called Apache OpenOffice and it can be downloaded from here. It is free and open source. It can be used by students, individuals or casual computer users. The OpenOffice package contains 6 applications and the main ones are Writer, which is like Microsoft Word, Calc or Calc, comparable to Microsoft Excel, and Impress, similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. The best part is you can actually install this on all 3 major operating systems, whether it's Windows, Apple OS or Linux. I've been using this product for past 3 months now and haven't come across any issues. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of Microsoft Office like cloud and collaboration, but this is a trusted product with millions of users across the world. And now to answer the most important question, yes, you can open all the existing files that you have from Microsoft Office into OpenOffice, and you can do vice versa. So your OpenOffice files will work with Microsoft Office. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.